No, let him wait, Oga. No. Please, why did you do this to me, Limubiri? Please, I don't want them. I know you are saying you are sorry, but I know you. Did I do anything to offend you?
No.
Why would you molest a 7-year-old? I'm saying almost 7+. If you are telling me pay is the devil, fine.
You should not talk about devil now. Only thing they are making now.
But after everything I did for you, why?
You tried.
But why? But I want to understand. I took out my time, registered you in the school. The only thing I didn't even do was allow you to stay in my house. And that was because my marriage just broke up and I didn't want people to. So what did I do to deserve this?
Oh, deserve it. If I'm lying, look, deserve it. But me, more about this thing, carrying mo bẹ̀bẹ̀. Tó bá kọ̀rọ̀ pẹ́pẹ́ gbé mi lọ, ẹ jẹ́ kí n kàn pa ara mi ẹjọ́.
No, you have not even answered my question. Why molest a 7-year-old?
I'm asking more carrying.
Is sexual molestation, is it right?
You just tell me I don't understand about this one.
I understand him now. What she was on English.
No, the thing is that he molested her when she was 7, and then he came now that she's 14.
So do it again. Okay, why do it again now? Why do it again now? Okay, tell us why do it again now?
I don't say not do it.
No, but why do it again now? I'm going to come. Why do it again now? Why do it again now? Why do it again now? Maybe we should just hand him over to.
They are coming. They are already on their way.
Because you are not talking to me.
Zoto said if any police will come here, we should call them for Zoto. Let them once he's registered.
Where is he going? Ma, leave it. Ma, no, don't bother. Sit down back. Ma, bother. I'm talking to you as a friend because I know that you had issues. And that issue, I went all out. I'm asking you why harass a child at 7 years old and come back and harass her at 14. You are not giving me any cogent reason. You are saying it's them. But Muti, you didn't drink. I want to forgive you, but I just want to understand.
You know that I know him, that's why he's telling
which you know, this one,
I'm begging you.
Why? I don't understand. If truly you prayed about it, you harassed her at 7. Why come back to harass her at 14?
I'm not called devil, brother. What I've done is bad. No doubt about that. It's very bad to molest her. It's very bad, I know. But please, I'm pleading.
Okay.
To your Lord, Princess, you did not deserve it. Record it, you did not deserve it. Because you tried.
Okay, what was
even when I was coming, that's what I was telling you, I said, you cannot call me. Even once, I will answer 3. Because you tried for me. Hey, Joe, just help me.
Okay, what was your aim now? What was your aim? To just destroy her life? Or
there is no aim. When there is problem, this spiritual problem,
you have spiritual problem.
You can't even know, she knows.
That you have,
know what she has.
You have spiritual problem.
She even gave me a number. Someone to go, I mean, 1 or 2 people.
I gave you a pastor's number when you have problem with your marriage. Did I know that you can molest a 7-year-old or harass a 7-year-old? But you are not making me understand. If you are saying the devil, that was some years ago. You repeated it again. Does it mean you have done it to other people?
I know.
So you are saying if I ask around, nobody will
You
say.
see, it's come
That means if you were to be in my shoe, my stepchildren for no this thing safe for your hand.
no.
I married a woman that lost her husband 7 years ago.
That is true.
And
Very true.
let me tell you, the daughter is just a little bit bigger than this. So you mean if you were to be in that shoe, you won't spare that little girl?
He's telling the fact.
You know what she calls me?
Daddy. He's not the father.
She did not joke with me.
He's
You are
the
old
stepfather.
enough to be her father.
Do you understand? We
Why
sleep
do you-
together in the same bed.
Ah,
It's like my blood. As in, not like it is my blood. You see the mother. If I call her any see. No,
His intention. His intention. Not.
that's what I'm saying. It's
My wife
intentional.
left me. My
Lanre,
wife left me
Lanre,
at the point of no
intentional.
men.
If it's not intentional,
My wife
if it's not
left me 3
intentional,
children.
3 good children.
3
come
children.
back.
Boys.
if it's not intentional, why harass a child at 7, then come back years later?
Do you
No,
know
why
what you
do
did?
that?
Do you know what you did?
It's intentional.
Once you enter, you attacked her.
Yes,
That's what
immediately.
You didn't waste time.
Yes,
You went to search the room if there's anybody.
Yes.
No, I did not.
What did you say?
You search the whole room.
Say no.
You have to reveal for
Make sure you.
No, I'm
No, no, no.
Princess, please wait.
Leave her. Let her express herself. Leave her. It's painful. If she don't express herself, you can show her like that.
Leave her, leave her.
Leave her. Let her express herself.
Leave her alone. Let her do what
Let her express herself. This can injure her. I know the pain of it. See, you know what I'm going through? My wife left me 3 boys. After much beg, she called to my family to tell them that was a ritualist. That's why she left me. Now she's coming back to beg after I married another person.
I've been working with you for how long? Don't play.
Do you understand? This is what I do.
You search the whole house. Immediately I step out.
We were watching you.
If
You lie again.
Why are you lying?
If I come to my door, if I come to my door, this guy no go.
What did you now do? Leave him.
I said, no, I'm not.
What did you
Because
do?
what I did is bash. As I just said, I said, this place is smaller than the
That
place
place.
you go there. So Mwanya, how many rooms? And I now open this place. I said, 3 rooms. I said, this place is small.
Where did you
And he said,
open? Wait, where did you open?
We're here.
That's all.
Open
That's all.
No.
Where
I
again?
open here.
That's all.
I enter here.
Is it your house?
Bushman, when you are
Okay,
on
house.
now.
But I was not around.
Is it your house?
No.
Was the owner around?
But
No.
close.
So what?
Ah, you have never been
Because you
here
are
before.
close, that's why you molest her daughter.
No.
That's what you're
Now-
telling me. That you feel free.
To pay her back with that.
I did bad. Anywhere I did bad. I don't need to hide my feelings or anything. I'm not lying, please.
But I'm saying why harass her again? That's why I
In
say
the space of 7
twice.
years, not
That's why we are asking.
that's the thing.
Ayele. Ejo,
Ayele, only for your side, Ayele.
please.
After 7 years,
I'm
you
just-
came back
I'm
again.
just-
Because this will let
One
me
boxing contest
They are
now.
way.
They are
They are wasting time.
So I should leave you with them.
Leave Oh, bros, I'm moving small touching now.
No. Party go
If they face one side, they'll tell us side.
No, Party go do all those ones. You think, man?
Ọ̀rọ̀ tí Ọlọ́run.